Drastically reduce your labor with Dragon Screed's revolutionary new system. With Dragon Screed, you will level subgrade and screed concrete all from the comfort of your machine. It is the only power-driven product on the market capable of leveling both subgrade and concrete. Dragon Screed can level subgrade in a fraction of the time required by traditional methods. Your crew will appreciate letting the machine do the work for them. The adjustable attachment allows you to subgrade at precision depths, meaning perfect consistency of slab thickness, less wasted concrete, and an overall stronger product. Dragon Screed drags, floats, and vibrates concrete with every pass. Crews simply get concrete close to grade and Dragon Screed does the rest. Empty trucks faster, pour at lower slumps, take advantage of shorter weather windows, and pour more on a daily basis, all from the comfort of your cab. In a tight spot, Dragon Screed comes with an attachment that works in front of your machine, allowing you to level subgrade or screed from within the forms. Dragon Screed is durable, made in the USA, and quickly customizable to meet the needs of any project. In only a few minutes, a two-man crew can reconfigure Dragon Screed to work off of either side of the machine in forward or reverse. Dragon Screed can be adjusted to pour up to 22 feet wide and 8 inches deep. Dragon Screed will greatly reduce labor, increase profits, and produce a better quality product, all while completing your project faster than any traditional method. Are you ready to pour more? Do it today with Dragon Screed.